Welcome to ECNTRADE daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, if you look at the Australian dollar daily chart, you can see that we have a doji star which now waits confirmation. If we get a break of 70.65, that is the confirmation, I believe, to see a significant downturn to 69 cents. The technical implications are not quite fully confirm this move, but the 65 break for the midway point could enforce further weakness with the MACD and set initial bear phase into action, and therefore would expect to see this decline continue. Wait for the confirmation. Otherwise, we could see a rejection from here and see a retest back to 72 cents. But in light of the doji star, it's giving some hope for the bears, that is, to see a further play to the support level that sees at 70.65. On the other hand, though, the dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, posted a 22-month low and therefore seen a rally towards its top side of the range. Now, I believe around 116.65.75 will probably cap the euro and now potentially see a move back towards the support because we are extremely overbought. The ADX is overheating. I've been waiting for opportunities in some of these markets, and I believe that we are start seeing a bit of a light at the end of the tunnel. Let's see if the market does retreat. However, do keep in mind in all these views I'm holding to keep your stop losses according to your risk management, as we do need to see confirmations to support these technical assessments. The call for dollar yen. Well, we are nearly at 106 after the market took another challenge to the downside. As you can see, these two heavy candles doesn't give us too much room now to see that contest at 106 that may extend towards 105.5. We've got a bull trend coming into, we have a bear trend coming into play here with the ADX. We've got a bear trend holding here with the MACD and also the RSI, supporting three confirmations from these indicators to see either 106 or 105.5. At present, we've got 3 dojis. Now, that's a tri-star, and that's negative. And therefore, with two of them, being a hanging man and one close to being a gravestone, could give a further down test. But we would need to see the confirmation from a break of 126.40.45 to give us a move to 124. Nevertheless, this pattern is rare, and when seen, is good opportunity to actually start possibly viewing a bear case. Now, it is interesting to see we saw a very similar pattern at 134 back here in June, which was a hammer. Got close to a hammer here and another hammer. I believe the market a false break was seen at 134, and I could expect to see a rise now up to about 135, 35 to 55, given the fact is that the technicals have somewhat slightly shifted. Let's see if this play comes into movement. Keep an eye on gold, because if we see a break of 1,865 or around 60.65, could see a downturn to about 1,820. Don't have strong confirmation, but the 4-hour is breaking down a little bit here and does imply that we could see weakness, but confirmation is needed. However, with the tension between the US and China still continuing, may keep safe haven demand and see one more test at 1,900. Finishing up with oil, but as you can see, the market clearly rejected that level of 41.50.80 and now puts in play a further downturn. With the technicals breaking down, especially with the MACD being negative, could see a pullback to $36 a barrel. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report. Enjoy the great day and a great start to this new weekend.